Welcome to Study Loop.
So here is the new question here. They are given us a bunch of material cost and cost. We have to calculate cost of good manufactured. So let's start. Roosevelt. So direct material purchase we will not include it. Direct material used, yes. First is direct material used, rupees in thousand for better understanding. 76. Second one we will add direct manufacturing labor cost. Labor cost, which is 10,000. Indirect manufacturing labor cost we also include indirect 17. Indirect labor cost. Indirect manufacturing labor cost. Sorry, it's 12. 12,000. And sales salaries we will not include it. Other plant expenses we will include it. Two. Selling and administrative expense will not include in cost of good manufacture. So the total is 120. So the option 2 is right the option. Thank you. Have a nice day.